Hello faves, you're welcome to Nexa Fashion 247, and this is a short video on how I achieved this sleeve, this stylish sleeve on this dress. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're just going to draft your basic sleeve, and I am trying to do that the way I usually cut my sleeves. So if you want to learn how I cut my sleeves, you can watch this part carefully. You can replay it so that you don't miss any part. Okay, you can as well use your free hand to create this curve, okay, this armhole curve, but I prefer using the pattern master to do that because it gives me this perfect sleeve curve, okay, or armhole curve on the sleeve. So after you have created your curve, okay, just watch carefully and read all the prompts that I'm writing on top. You're going to get the full length of your sleeve. This is just for illustration purpose, okay? So you're going to mark the full length of your sleeve from the sleeve cap or from the shoulder part to the ankle level. Okay, you mark that. That is the first line there. Now this one is from the sleeve cap to the elbow area, which is usually 10 inches. Yeah, it's usually 9, 10, 8 inches depending on the person's length. So I am trying to mark the elbow and then the full length of the sleeve. After that, you measure from you measure the round of your elbow, okay, and divide it by 2. Then you place it on the elbow line there, and then you go to your full length, you extend the full length by about 5 inches or thereabout, or more. You can do more, okay. Like I said, this is just for illustration purpose, so the lines are not really connecting the way they should, but if it is like a full arm measurement, you're going to get the perfect shape of the sleeve, okay. So you use your curve rule to do that, okay. So you will now create that angle, okay, that triangular shape of the sleeve there. Right there, you connect it to the extension of that 5 inches that I did, and your sleeve is ready, okay. So make sure that you watch this video again, follow all the prompts, follow all the texts that I have typed or I have placed in the video, so that it will guide you on how to get all the proper calculations. So right now our sleeve is ready. All you need to do is just cut it on your fabric and you're good to go. See you in my next